Look what I just got. A gasgas 300 with a KREIGER 650cc engine. Looks pretty alright. Dirty, sure. Needs some cleaning, for sure. But seems alright. Has nice rims, some ART rims, wheel spacers, some nice nav bars, probably OEM. Only thing that's fucking ugly is how they put up the airbox. It's fucking flexible pipes and I don't know what the fuck they did. The elevator is dead. And the fuel tank, he said they emptied the original one and put a tiny one in it or something. So have a look at that, clean it up, make it run and have fun. Look at this beast, how wide it is. Jesus.